evening, everybody. Do you have any doubt in the last class what we have discussed? Bills of exchange?
Sir.
Marking. Tell ma'am.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, in
good
the bills of exchange, 3 person involved, one drawee, another one payee, sir.
Correct, ma'am. And promissory note, only maker and the payee.
Okay. Mr. A is getting payment from Mr. C, sir.
That example you have taken in a wrong way, actually.
Yes, sir.
A is a seller. A is a seller. B is a buyer.
Okay.
A is a seller. B is a buyer.
Okay, sir.
C is a person who have to receive money from A. And A, what he have done is, instead of giving money, he have given the bill. So B have to make the payment to C. So C will become payee.
B has to make payment to C.
So that is endorsement we call, no? Endorsing, transferring the bill to C.
Sir.
By whom? By A. That was example actually what I told you that day.
Mr. A and Mr. C, what is the relationship, sir? Once again, sir.
Debtor and creditor, ma'am.
A is
a creditor. In the books of A. In the books of A, B will be debtor. In the books of B, A will be creditor.
Okay, sir.
Anything else? In bills of exchange, the two instruments are there, bills of exchange, that is promissory note and bills of exchange. No doubt. Shall we go for further?
Sir, good evening, sir. One small doubt, sir. Sir, Saturday morning or Friday morning we have attended, sir, bills of exchange. Saturday morning, sir, early morning class.
Saturday morning, I didn't teach bills of exchange only.
Friday morning, sir. Friday morning.
Friday morning also I didn't touch bills of exchange only. Because Friday morning I didn't took the class itself, I guess. Yeah, Friday morning I didn't do the class itself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The continuation class today or sir, tomorrow early morning we have to attend, sir.
Today's ka tomorrow morning you can attend. No problem. Sir, today's ka in the sense, today what I am teaching will not be taught in the morning. Already for you, for morning people, I have finished this topic, what I am teaching for you people today.
No, sir. For morning session, bill of exchange topic will be taught on
tomorrow morning I'll teach that one. Tomorrow morning I'll teach for them. Bills of exchange.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But
just
for you people, I'll not tell bills of exchange now.
Okay, sir.
Now,
okay,
for you people, I'll not teach bills of exchange actually.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Will we attend today or tomorrow, sir? Tomorrow morning. Sir?
Tell, sir.
No, we have to attend now or tomorrow morning, sir?
Now, see, I don't know how to explain you. I told you that day also on Saturday morning itself, clearly. Okay, in morning section, I am bit forward. In evening section, I am bit back.
Okay,
today,
sir.
I'll match it.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir.
So today, what I'm going to teach for you people, if you have attended Saturday's class, you no need to attend now because I am teaching repeated now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So today, after taking this class, I'll make it similar for morning and evening.
Okay,
and you
sir.
people have not missed any class till now. Don't worry for that.
Okay,
Thursday evening, I took the class, I guess. Friday morning, I didn't took the class. Thursday evening, I didn't took the class. Friday morning, I didn't took the class. Friday evening, I took the class. And Saturday morning, I took the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you people have not missed anything. Today, for evening batch, okay, what I left last time, that only will be continued. Okay.
Sir.
And what I am teaching now, that already have been covered for the day people, like morning people.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. And tomorrow morning, what I am going to teach for the morning batch will be same. I will teach for evening also.
Okay.
From tomorrow onwards.
Okay.
Sir,
Tell ma'am.
shall we join on morning, sir? For the evening batch now.
You
Tomorrow
attend this
onwards.
class, ma'am. If you feel you have been attending this session, then you can go for the morning, ma'am.
Okay, pa. Okay, sir. Okay.
This will be good, no, because I don't know where you have been and what is the thing and all. So this is the best actually, I can say. You attend the class. If you feel it is repeated one, if you need, you can sit. If you don't want, you can just back up.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, shall we start now? Bills of exchange.
Yes, sir.
In bills of exchange, we have done bills of exchange. We got it. 3 parties are there: drawer, and the payee. And for promissory note, we have got 2 people, maker and the payee. Okay. Now we are going to discuss today rebate on bills of exchange. Rebate on bill discounted actually. That I am going to teach you people. 1 second, I'll share the screen with you people. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today we are going to discuss this rebate on bill discounted. Okay. This will become for practical question for you people in exam for 2 mark or 1 mark they may ask you. Okay. So here rebate on bill discounted is nothing but when we call it as discount and when we call it as rebate, that we will understand first because that is the base for this. Now just keep one thing in mind. When the bill is taken by the banker for discounting and the bill is getting mature within financial year end. So when is our financial year will get ended? 31st March. Okay. So after buying the bill, if the bill is getting mature and you are going to realize, banker is realizing the money, okay, within the financial year, then it is called as discount. Okay, within financial year. Suppose the bill is getting mature after financial year. Okay, on 31st March, whatever the year is, it's not getting mature. It is maturing after financial year. Then it is called as rebate. Any confusion in this now? Discount means when the bill will get mature?
Within financial year.
Within financial year.
Rebate means
After financial
After the financial.
after the financial year. Is it clear? Okay. So you can read the meaning here. What it says is rebate on bill discounted refers to the discount earned on bill discounted for the future period. So bill is getting mature in the future. Okay. And it is unearned amount. Why it is called as unearned in the sense we didn't earn on the day of closing the financial statements. So it is called as unearned amount of discount received by a bank. It is an income received in advance. Okay. Any income which is received in advance is called as current liability for us. Okay. And it is also called as known as unexpired discount. Okay. Any problem in this now rebate?
Sir, what's the discount maturity?
Huh?
I mean, maturity period and all you told me, sir.
The bill will get mature. No. For example, we take it bill as a check only. Check has to mature, right? To make the
Okay.
payment. That is only
Okay.
here also bill has to get mature to get the payment.
Means after maturity period only that amount and all will come to us, sir.
Yes, correct. After maturity period only you will get the amount. If the maturity period is falling after the financial year, then it is called as rebate. If it is within the
Then we
financial
will-
year, then it is called as discount earned. You are earning that one.
Sir.
Hmm.
Sir, actually, bill of exchange is nothing but trading between the goods or trading between two people. Why your bank is going to play the role?
It's a which is normally used in the trade only. You are correct. Okay. But here we have to have some proof, right? What we have sold and what we have purchased. Okay. So that only will be your. So only the instrument what we use is called as bills of exchange.
But in banks, we are not doing all this, no, sir.
I think in your bank it is not. Few banks are using this topic actually.
And this is this I didn't understand, sir, that unearned amount.
Unearned is nothing but on the day of closing the financial books, that bill is not matured. So it is called as unearned amount. Okay. Because on the day of 31st March, you have to close your books of accounts, right?
Yes, sir, correct.
On that day, if it is not matured, what we call for that bill, it is unearned actually. Unexpired.
Okay.
It has to expire not to get the money, but it is not expired on the day of closing the books of accounts.
Fine.
Any problem in this now? Rebate on bill discounted?
Sir, one small doubt.
Ma'am.
When we are giving that bill of exchange bill, bank will not pay immediately, sir.
They'll pay immediate amount, ma'am, because they hold the commission. They'll hold
Pay
the
immediate, sir.
value.
Pay immediate. Pay immediate.
Pay immediately. They'll do it. Payment will be immediately done. Payment will be done immediately. As soon as you give the bill, the amount will be given to you.
Then realization means what, sir?
Realization will happen when the bill is getting mature. Clear doubt is still any confusion is there?
Means
Please,
getting
one
the
more
money,
time,
realization both are different, sir.
Let me put it in this way. If I have given you a post-dated check, will you give me the cash immediately?
No.
Here also same thing happens. When the bill is not expired, you will not you will not earn the income. So it is called as unearned income or amount. Okay.
Okay.
So that is one related to this. I have given the example.
Okay.
Okay. And if in case that bill is crossing the financial year, then it will become a rebate to us. Okay, because on the day of 31st March, you have to close your books of accounts, no? Okay, you have to close your books of accounts on 31st March. On that day, if your bill is not matured, then it is called as rebate because it is going beyond the financial year or after the financial year. Okay. Why we call it as unearned means the discount what you have hold it from me, okay, you have not earned on that day because it is not expired, so can't earn it. Suppose, for example, I came with you with a 10,000 of bill, okay, and I asked you to discount it. You'll discount it by holding 1,000 rupees and you'll give me 9,000. I will take 9,000, I'll go, okay. But when will you earn that 1,000? On the day of maturity. Yes or no?
The bank
On the day of maturity, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, from the point of a banker, you should do these all things. Bills is discounted by the banker only. No, not by the customers or something other people. From the point of a banker, you have to think on this.
Means that the unearned money related to bank.
Yes, correct. Now you are on track. 1,000 to 10,000 ka bill when I come and discounted with you, you give me only 9,000 rupees. 1,000 you didn't give me as a commission or a discount. Okay. So that discount when you're earning on the day of maturity. Correct, no? So if the till the maturity date, this amount is what for you? 1,000 rupees unearned amount.
The unearned amount, it can be a rebate also. Rebate.
No, no, no.
Rebate
If
is
the
back
bill
at
date is
NPA.
crossing the financial year, then it is rebate.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, if it is before means you will get the amount, no? Anything else? Doubt related to rebate and bill discount rate?
Sir, if the bill doesn't have sufficient funds,
Dishonor. Take him to the court.
huh,
Like how you people do for the check bounce. Same procedure for this also.
oh, okay.
And it will be a liability for you people, okay? Because you have paid the money to me, no? But you didn't get the money from the party who have to give. So you take me to the,
Yes,
you
sir.
will send me a notice. Or you can do like this. Who gave you the bill? I gave you the bill. So anybody can't enter and give in the bank a bill and get the discount. The person who is discounting the bill, he should be a customer of your company, of your bank, no? Those people
sir.
really can
Yes,
be
sir.
doing the discounting. So
Yes, sir.
my account is there in your bank. When the bill is dishonored, you debit my account. You got the point what I'm
Yes,
telling? You debit my account. Or you'll send me a notice by stating that your bill has been dishonored. We are going to debit your money. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Then
Okay,
if
thank you.
that bill is dishonored, you'll debit my amount and I'll take that bill. I'll talk to the person who have given me the bill. Then the penalty, interest, noting charges, whatever you are putting on my head, I'll put on his head now. Understood?
Yes.
For dishonoring of the check, what you people will do, you'll put penalty on the customer, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That customer will not take it on his head actually. He'll take it from your side, but he will give to the party who have given the check for you.
Yes, sir.
So here also happens the same thing. But if I use a word of check here, that you will not be able to grab the thing, so I took the word of a bill here.
Sir,
1 second. Tell.
yes, sir. Sir, actually, the discount and rebate.
Tell, sir, you're telling the doubt actually.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, the discount and rebate both are you are telling us that. The
No. I didn't tell rebate and discount is both. Discount means before financial year, bill will get mature and you'll get the money.
Rebate after the financial year.
After the financial year, rebate will be called as rebate. Actually.
So, which is beneficial for the bank? Both?
Both are benefited. No, this is rebate is future income. Discount is current income.
And this unearned income means that we didn't receive in the financial year.
Didn't receive on the day of closing the books of account, not the financial year. On the day of closing the books of accounts, you didn't get that money.
If the person comes up in the month of February, and our books of account will close on 31st of March. So the period of that bills is 3 months. That is
it is crossing the date, no?
April month.
Then it is rebate.
Okay.
Then it is
so
rebate.
it will consider as a rebate.
Yes, correct.
Okay. And on 31st of March, we will consider it as an unearned income.
Correct. On 31st March, we take it as unearned income.
So the bill which are not get discounted in the financial end of the financial year, we will consider it as a unearned income.
Yes.
Okay.
And we call it as rebate on bill discounted for that.
Bill rebate on bill discounting. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Thank you,
yes.
sir. Yes.
Okay. And this rebate will be minused from, as you have not earned.
Okay.
Okay. And you'll minus it from schedule number 13 of the banking final accounts.
Schedule number 13.
13 of the banking final accounts. While preparing a P&L account, in 13, we will minus this rebate. Because it is not earned, no. Then how can we show as a earned? So minus it.
So it will be reflected in the bank balance sheet, not
Obviously,
in the company.
it is a current
balance sheet.
liability for the banker. Rebate is a current
Okay.
liability for the banker.
So we won't consider it from the customer point of view.
No. It is bankers only. Everything is banker.
Okay. Okay.
Any other doubt is there related to this?
So that means rebate on bills, it's related to contingent liability.
When you send the bill for collection, then
Okay.
it is contingent liability. Why? Because we don't know whether it will honor or dishonor.
Okay.
That time it will be a contingent liability. See,
Okay.
simple thing. When you buy, it is advance amount.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you send for collection, it is contingent liability.
Yes, sir.
When it is realized, cash is coming in.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much is coming in? 10,000. How much
Okay.
is your commission in discount is under yours?
1,000.
1,000. That will go to schedule number 13.
Okay.
You understood? 13 is income, 9 is advances, 5 is current liability, 12 is contingent liabilities. These are the schedule number I am telling of banking accounts.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Anything else in this rebate on bill discounted?
From where we will minus the discount, I mean, income?
Rebate will be minus from schedule number 13 of the banking final accounts.
Okay.
It is interest earned. I'll tell you that one later. After this, I'll tell that one actually to people. Okay. We'll go to the balance sheet of a banking and we'll see what is happening, how it is happening and all. Today only I'll finish that also. Okay. Tomorrow again, I need to start bills of exchange. Any doubt?
Okay, sir.
Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Now, in exam, for you people, 1 mark or 2 mark question will be asked. Calculate rebate. Okay. One bill they'll give you, date, maturity date, discount rate, amount they'll give you. You have to convert into, you have to calculate the rebate. Okay. So for that, 1-2 problem we'll discuss now. Okay. Now, see the first question. Calculate rebate on bill discounted as on 31st March 2018. So the bill is getting mature when our financial year is getting closed.
31st March 18, 2018.
31st March 18, the financial year is going to closed. Now come to the first bill date. When the bill you have purchased? 15/1/18. You have took the bill. Okay. So when it is going to mature? Period of the bill is how much? 5 months. So you record it like this. 15, let it be as it is. Which month is January, right? 1. 1 plus 5 is how much? 6. Hyphen 2018. Any confusion in this now? Any problem in this now? Add for month, the month what is given for period of the bill. That's all it says.
No need to take the day of that month. No?
That can be taken while seeing the dates actually. I'll come to that also. End of the problem, you can ask a doubt for this.
Okay.
To get all clarity. Okay. Then let it be as it is. When the bill is getting mature?
July.
4 months.
7.
4 plus 2 is 6.
6.
2018. Any confusion in this?
No, sir.
20. 3 plus 2. 5. 2018. Any confusion in the date of maturity?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, third column, what you have to do is all the bills are maturing after the financial year end or before the financial year end?
After the financial year.
After. So we got to know this one. It is after. All bills are after only. Okay. Now, what we should do is, he was asking how to calculate the days and how the calculation of days will take place. Now the days will take place here. Leave up to 31st March as you're closing the books of account. After 31st March, how many days are coming that you calculate? So after March, which month will come?
April.
How many days?
30 days.
30 days. Plus May,
31.
31 days.
June
June,
13.
Fifteen.
only 15 will take because when the in June, how many days it is taking? 15.
15
So it will be plus 15 days.
76 days.
Okay. Plus we will add it 3 days grace.
Grace.
Why we will take 3 days grace means because you'll send the bill to the collection. He'll realize it. He'll take it. He'll give it to you. It will take minimum 1 to 2 days. So we'll take it 3 days. Total it now.
79 days.
79 days. Any confusion in this now?
No, sir.
No.
Next. This is also June. April 30. May 31. June 10 days plus 3. Plus 3. How many days?
24.
4 days. Okay. Next. This bill you check.
30 plus 20 plus
30 is April. 20 is your plus
May.
3. How many days?
Grace period.
53.
53.
Any confusion in this now?
No, sir.
No.
Fine. So after calculating this amount column, you write the bill amount. What are the bills you have discounted? At what rate you have discounted? Rate of discount also you take the same thing. What are the rate of discounts you have been carried on? That you take it here. Okay. This you take it here. Now you have to calculate the rebate. What is the amount?
20,000.
20,000 into 12 divided by 100 percentage rate of discount into how many days are falling after the financial year?
79.
79 days. 79 days divided by 365 days. How much is the amount is coming? Check it out now. Calculator, you can use it.
519.5.
591.
519. 519. 519.
519.45.
45.
Next you see that is 15,000 into 13%. 13 divided by 100 into 74 divided by 365. How much is coming?
395.
395.34. Next is 10,000 into 14 divided by 100 into 53 divided by 365 days. How much is coming?
203.28.
Not 3.
0.28.
Total this all values now. 3 values. How much is coming? Take it out.
111.
Sir, the same class was taken on Saturday morning.
Yes.
118.07.
How much is coming?
118.
111.
8.07.
8.07. This is your rebate. Any confusion in this now?
No, sir.
Okay. No confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, this is how the question will be solved.
Sir, one
Your
doubt.
answer.
Actually, that means until that bill gets matured, we cannot take that income, no. So here you have considered after financial year, how many days are there? That portion of rebate only you have considered.
Yes, ma'am. Correct, ma'am. You're right.
And if bill is getting matured at the end of the maturity date only, we will get entire commission amount, whatever interest we have charged for the bill. How we can take it means before financial year, how that is not considered here. That's what my doubt.
Actually, the thing is, the whole amount will be taken in the next year only. It is not taken in the current year.
Okay. Now, in that, whatever commission we earned, that will come under bills, and rebate whatever we earned, the difference amount will come in the rebate account like that.
Correct. You are right. For example, 10,000 bill I have come with you to get discount.
Okay.
1,000 you have hold it as a discount amount. Okay. So now 1,000 what will happen is you will divide that one. You will see the bill date first.
Okay, sir.
It is going after the financial year. Okay.
Yeah.
In the financial year, okay, how much you have earned from out of that 1,000 rupees?
Okay.
That will be
Till
segregated.
means if it is 3 months is coming below before the financial year means we have to take. We should not take that as a rebate.
No, no. After only we have to take rebate.
Okay, okay. Whatever date is coming before the financial year date, that we should not consider as a rebate. After whatever balance tenor is there, that only we should consider as a rebate.
Yes, correct, ma'am. You are right.
Thank you so much. I got some doubt because
No problem. Let it be. It is common actually. We have to clarify it. It is great actually. Okay.
The number of days you have given after financial year, beginning of financial year, but that +3 alone, I just need the clarification, sir.
+3 is nothing but see, if I deposit a check to you people, immediately you'll credit my account or you'll take some time.
Take some time.
How much time will you take if you take?
Next day.
Next day, are you sure you will going to credit my account by next day?
T+2, like that, T+2 like that.
1 + 2, 1 + 1 or 1 + 2 like that you'll take, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you take 1 + 2, how many days will be there?
3.
That will have
3.
shown there 3.
Okay.
Okay.
and even while discounting bill, we used to take 3 days margin also prior while discounting only.
Correct. Only we'll add it that one to that. That 3 days what you're taking extra money from the customer, that also your income only. Okay. Huh. Any doubt in this now, rebate?
No, sir.
After maturity, we have to, and if correct date they are realizing that bill, we have to return that 3 days margin to the customer.
You have to return that one.
Ah.
Fine then. I was not knowing about this. Thank you for telling this information. I was not aware about this actually. Good. Okay. 3 days you will give back to the customer itself.
Yeah, when bill is coming on correct due date means we will return that 3 days margin again to the customer. When
If it is coming.
Yeah, if it is not coming, we will take the extra interest from the 3 days margin.
This is a new thing what we are learning now. Okay, including me. Okay. So if the bill is getting mature exactly on the date of maturity, the 3 days will be not will be refunded to the customer. Okay. If it is not means, then it will be charged by the customer. Sorry, banker. Okay. Because a few people told that they are not into the activity of bills of exchange actually. I was shocked how to explain you people now. But I got one ma'am who have given the good information to the people. Okay. So now we'll solve one more question.
Sir, repeat again. Huh?
What I should repeat?
What she shared bill of action 3 days. Customer.
That is realizing date, bhai. Realizing the money.
Okay.
Working days you will take, no. For every check you will take 3 days of time, no, to get realized and create the account.
Yes, sir.
That only that grace days is actually. And the question will be asked in exam. How many grace days you will add to the bill? So your answer should be how much?
3 days. 3 days.
3 days. 3 grace days we call it as. 3 grace days we call it as. Okay. Normally we say that one to realize and all the stuff, it will take 3 days of time. So we will take it that as a grace. Okay. Hope your doubt is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
fine.
Yes, sir.
Done then.
The answer
So,
we are not, sir. The 20,000 into 12 divided by 100. Answer, sir.
That is percentage we are taking. Percentage, how will you write, ma'am?
Divide by 100.
That's what I've taken, no? 20,000 into 12 by 100. Your voice is not audible actually. My voice is audible for you people all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That her network issue is there actually.
Sir, 365 days we take. So it's a standard days we have taken. No?
Actually, you people will not follow this logic only. You people will take 360 days, no? While calculation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For international trade finance, we have to calculate.
Have to go with only 360 days actually. Okay. Only for your references, I have given 365 days. In a bank, it won't work out 365 days. It will work out only 360 days. But in exam, you have to take 365 days only. So I've thought like that. Okay. Any confusion still you have got in this? No?
Sir, question will ask like this, no? They will given means table.
Only
like
one bill will be asked for 1 mark or 2 mark. Not 3 bills. For
Only
your
one.
practicing, I have given 3 bills here.
Okay.
Okay. Actually,
Okay, sir.
this question will come for BCom students for 7 marks. So I should give more transaction, no?
Okay, sir.
That question, same question I have given to you people to solve. That's all it is. Okay. So can you solve this second question? Kali Bank Limited has the following bills to be discounted on 31st March 18. Can you solve?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is only the question, okay? Let me know the answer. How much is coming? Give me the exact answer of overall answer. Actually, it will be easy for me. Huh?
Sir, 32,917.81.
Everybody got the same answer? We'll see, ma'am. Let all the people do. We'll see how the things will go.
Yes, sir. I'm also getting 32,917.80.
32,917.78.
Okay, fine then.
0.80, sir. I'm getting.
Fine then. We'll see for it. Check this answer. Everybody have got?
78 point.
8. You have got?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct answer, no?
Yes, sir.
30,917. Okay. Now this also you check once. You have done. This question you check. Third question.
So first one, please explain. 9 lakh into 10 divided by 100 into 13. Plus 3. Okay.
10 lakh into 10 divided by 100 into 13 divided by 365.
Okay.
And that next one we have to calculate rebate, sir.
First one, it is coming after the days or before the day that you check first. Then you decide. First bill is coming after or before?
Sir, before December, so we need not to calculate for first one.
Okay, fine then. It is coming before, so you need not to calculate. No, 0.
So
Correct.
all rebate is 0.
Calculate only the other 2 bills and let me know the answer. What? Don't take that much of time.
So rebate is 0 on, but and one before financial year it will get mature.
Last one is also
0.
discount, sir.
Here, one thing I want to tell you people. When the bill is getting mature, what is a year ending date? You check it out. 31st December. When the bill is see that line. I am highlighting that one. You will just look into that. When the bill is getting mature. Like when is our financial year ending year ends actually?
31st March.
31st December.
So as per this question, 31st December.
Yeah. So you have to go with 31st December actually. Now, July, 4 months is there. August, September, October, November. So within, so it is 0. Next is October, 6 months. October, you leave it. November, December, January, 1 month, February 2, March 3. 3 months are there. So this will be calculated for 3 months. And December, 2 months. February, it will be calculated. So here, days after 31st December 2018, you should consider. When will you consider? Days after 31st December.
31st December to 31st March only.
No. 31st December is your year ending date.
Until ending date.
Ending date. So after that, what are the days are coming that you put it in rebate?
6,797.25.
This is the answer actually. This is the answer actually. You can check it out.
Which one, sir?
See in the screen I have displayed. See 6,575 and 222.
Yes, sir. Next to 221.91.
Total you're telling? Yeah. That is 221.2 something. I have round off that one. 222.
Yes, sir. 221.9.
9 will come. So I have in this only I have round off. The rest all I have not round off. Only this bill one I have a round of it actually.
6,797.25.
Total together, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there? You can ask the doubt related to this.
Sir, why for July it's 0, sir?
Because July add 4 months to that. July 7. 7 plus 4 is what?
So rate of discount?
5% is given, no? 5%.
For everything, sir.
31 plus 28, how it comes, sir? 28, 27, that days.
20 February, no?
Oh.
January 31, February 28, March 31, April 27 plus 3.
3 cases. So we should take 31st March as default. We have to read question.
31st December 18. Yeah, you have to read the question properly there.
Yeah. We should not take by default.
Yes. But in exam, 100% you will get the 31st March only. But
Okay,
still
if
read the
nothing
question
is
and
mentioned-
identify.
If nothing is mentioned, just only financial year ending is mentioned, we have to take 31st March.
31st March only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
July 27, why 0, sir? July 27, 18. 0, why?
That's what I'm telling. No. July is which month? 6th or 7th month?
7th month.
7 plus 4 is how much?
11, November.
It is within December, no?
Okay.
So 0. I told you, right? Rebate is calculated only for the period for which the bill is crossing the date of financial year. And here in this question, the financial year is our 31st December.
So the October
31st December.
2008. Sir, October 2018 is 6 months, no, sir? Here you have taken only 5 months, sir?
After December, you calculate, ma'am, for that.
Okay.
October is how much?
Understood.
8th month or 10th month?
10th month, sir.
10 plus 6 is how much?
16.
16 minus 12 is how much?
4.
4 months I have taken on there. January, February, March and April. 4 months. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, ma'am?
No, sir.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
So if any question is asked on rebate, you can calculate easily, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here you see 2 rebates are there. You should be very careful actually. Okay. This is a rebate where the customer have went to a banker and discounted the bill, and banker is calculating the rebate here in this question. Okay. One more kind of rebate is there which comes under the bills of exchange. One more bill is there which comes under the category. One more rebate is there which comes under the category of rebate where a seller will give rebate to a customer. You got my point what I'm telling? A seller will give rebate to a customer. Okay, this we'll discuss in bills of exchange actually. Okay. So now in rebate on bill discounted, if you have got any doubt, you can ask me the doubt. I'll clarify it. If we don't have the doubt, we'll go for the banking final accounts. What shall we do? Shall we go for banking final accounts?
Yes,
or you have
sir.
got any
Sir,
doubt
the
in
2
this?
types again once tell no, sir. 2 types, sir. Now you told no, sir. 2 types, sir. One is what
Give
we
rebate to customer.
and all.
Yeah. This you got it rebate?
Which I got.
You
sir.
just keep one in the mind. Another one I'll tell you when we do the bills of discount actually. Because there I'll give the example so that you can easily keep in the mind. Okay. And exams point of view also I'll tell you which question will be asked and how the questions will be asked. Okay. Just relax. Nothing to worry for that. Okay.
How can we differentiate those two, sir?
I'll tell and give you. Don't worry. Okay. I told you one difference actually. If you have observed, this rebate is calculated by the banker.
By the banker. And
Okay, that
by
rebate
the
is calculated by the seller.
seller.
That's the difference.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah. So shall we go for banking final accounts now?
Yes, sir.
Once again, I'll just share you the screen. Banking final accounts. Are you able to see the screen?
No, sir.
No. Fine.
No, sir.
Now?
Now, yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now here, final accounts, I have told you many times about that. Final accounts is nothing but to find out the financial position of a company. We'll prepare a books of accounts, which is called as financial accounts. Final accounts actually. Okay. So now, how and what all the banking people. So you have to keep in the banking and you have to think about this. Okay. Which all the statements a banking company prepares. Okay. Which all the statements a banking company prepares. That we have to see. Okay. So now, when we have done final accounts, I took 3 statements named there actually. One is trading account, one is P&L account, one is balance sheet. But in banking, are you trading anything?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Not
sir.
trading. Are you manufacturing anything?
No.
No, sir.
So banking is basically a service industry. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's basically a service industry. Okay. Now, in service industry, you are going to prepare only 2 statements. One is P&L account, another one is balance sheet. Okay. only these two statements will be prepared: P&L account and balance sheet. Okay. So now first I'll explain you the things of how the balance sheet will be there of your banking company. Have you seen your banking company balance sheet?
Yes, sir.
So it will be something like this balance sheet.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. As per schedule 29, section 29 and schedule 3, form A. Okay. Form of balance sheet will be like this. So we have got total 12 schedules. Sorry, total 16 schedules are there. 12 we will use it in the balance sheet and 4 we will use it in the P&L account. Okay. I want you people to take down this one, or you can take a screenshot and later you can record it down in the LMR. How will you do now?
Now it's just take down it, sir.
Take screenshots.
But it is important for you people. So make the alternative arrangement for this. Take the screenshot of this and keep it with you people. I'll explain you people individually this one, how it works. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shall I take bit up?
So should we record this in LMR?
I say yes, but it will take consume more time and more space. You do one thing. You take a screenshot of this and just you keep for your reference. That's all. Is it okay? Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Fine.
Okay, done. Shall I start the explanation now for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. Now, here, share capital, schedule number 1, it talks about. Okay. What do you mean by share and what do you mean by share capital? That we have to discuss. So everybody knows what do you mean by capital. Okay. In the company, when the capital is raised by issue of shares, is called share capital. Okay. It is a liability for the company, as I told you earlier. So it will be in the liability side of the balance sheet. Share capital, schedule number 1. Two kinds of shares are there. One is equity, one is preference. About this equity and preference, I'll tell you when I teach final account 2 for you people. Company account 2 there. Okay. So just you keep in the mind, share capital is nothing but capital has been collected by issue of what?
Shares.
By issue of what?
Shares.
Yes.
By issue of shares.
Yes.
Okay. By issue of shares, you are going to collect it. Next is reserve and surplus. Reserve is nothing but here accumulated profit of the past years. And surplus is nothing but current year profit what you have earned. That will be recorded in reserve and surplus. Any confusion in this now?
Accumulated profit of
Sir, repeat.
past year.
Repeat the sentence, please.
Reserve is nothing but a accumulated profit and surplus is nothing but current year profit. So this will be recorded in the schedule number 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next we have got schedule number 3. So in this schedule number 3, we record all deposits. So how many kinds of deposits are there?
Fixed current.
Fixed, current, recurring.
Bank.
Yeah. These all 4 accounts you record in that deposits. Okay. Next is borrowings. Borrowings is nothing but here not taking for credit. Banker will not take credit from anywhere. He will have his own funds and he will be having the money. Then here borrowings means what? Now, 2 branches are there. One is in Attinagar and another is in Rajajinagar. Okay. If Attinagar branch is a shortage of liquid, so what they do, they borrow the money from the other branch. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Meet the contingencies. Any day, all of a sudden the deposits are less and withdrawal is more. So that time this problem will arise for a banker actually. Okay. You can't tell to a borrower, you can't tell your customer, I'll not give the money. I don't have money. No. What you do, you will arrange immediately money from other branch and you will give it to them. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that is called borrowings from other bank. Any confusion in this now?
Borrowings from other branch or other bank?
Other branch. Other bank who will give you money as you are a banker.
Correct.
So any confusion in the borrowings now? And it is request for the people who are using the earphone, at least keep that mic or microphone bit far from your face because it will make lots of this one disturbance. Next we have got current liabilities and provisions. So here current liability and provisions is nothing but in a company, some X and Y person have come and took the loan from you. House loan, personal loan, or property loan, property and house are both, okay, different both. Education loan and all those loans he have taken from you. He is not going to pay you because he is telling I am insolvent now. Okay. So how will you recover the money from him?
By making the provision for that, or we return off.
Surface.
No, we
Deficit.
return off that debt, or otherwise we will make provision from our reserves and so.
So we'll write off first thing, and second thing, or we will make it from reserve. Okay. So here we call that fellow as a bad debt.
Yes,
right? Because he's not giving the payment to me, so he's a bad for me, bad debtor. He's not going to make me the payment. Okay. So here in current liability, as you people have told, provisions for bad debts will create it. Why? Because if such customers are there in the bank, we will make a reserve for those people. That items will come under current liabilities and provisions. Any problem in this?
So here we took the current.
That means with our profit we are giving the provision.
Yes, with profit only we are going to make the provision.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we here took the current liability that already the loan has been getting bad. It's already the long-term liability for our bank.
Talking only about provision now, bad debts.
Okay.
If you want to know current liabilities means, I'll give an example. Some company, some bankers are taking pension fund from the government. Yes or no?
Pension fund.
Yeah, pensions for old age people.
Yes, sir.
You'll take, right?
Yes, sir.
One organization is providing pension completely to your bank and asking you to withdraw the money. If the customers come and take the money, let they withdraw and go. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that pension fund, obviously, who will be getting pension? The people who are old. So can you invest that pension fund, what you have received from the company, in a long-term source?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You can't. No. Because we don't know when he's going to ask. Withdraw. So pension fund will be current liability to you people.
Current liability.
You have to pay for them. You have to pay for them. No. Correct, right? Huh? Any confusion in this? Huh?
So we won't consider that our ODCC accounts.
No. We won't consider that one because OD will be paid. No.
Okay. So
OD will be paid.
If it's getting bad, so we will consider it as a current liability.
Provision. Bad is provision.
Provision. Okay.
Yeah. In a simple language, when you give loan and it is not been paid by him, that is provision. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you have to pay money to the customer because someone have given to you to pay, then it is called as current liability. Have you heard about telegraphic transfer?
No, sir.
Sir, what is the farmers loans write-off by government, sir?
Bad debts, provisions.
The provisions or liabilities, sir?
Provisions.
Right. So the debt waiver will come under the provision that the KCC customer has get.
Yes, correct. You're right. Provisions is nothing but due to some government scheme, we are waiving off or we are writing off.
Okay.
Okay. With any other scheme we have got, we are going to write off that all. That all will come under the category of provisions. Whereas current liability is not like that. You have to make the payment to them. I give example, pension fund.
Yes, sir.
I can give you another example. Gift
Social
check. Have you heard
welfare
about gift checks?
Gift checks.
Yeah.
Heard it, sir, but didn't recall it right now.
Gift check is nothing but a customer will deposit money in you with your bank, some amount, for example, like 10,000 and 1 lakh. Okay. Then they'll take the check from your side, which will be like full of design and all the stuff. And that check will be packed and will be given to someone as a gift. Okay. Who should make the payment now for that fellow who is having the check? Bank. In a simple example, again, another one I'll give you. T20, man of the match, he'll get a check. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that check is so much big. Banker will accept that check?
No.
No. So that is a gift check actually.
Okay.
We have got telegraphic transfer. We have got traveler's check. Have you heard?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Traveler's check.
How the mechanism of
Prepaid
traveler's
card.
check? traveler check mechanism, how it will work. A customer who is going to travel, he'll deposit money in your bank. Yes or no? Okay. And that worth of value, what he have deposited, he'll take the check from you. Yes or no? He'll go to abroad. He will utilize that check. Who is going to make the payment?
Bank has to make the
Bank will
It is asset or liability to you people.
Liability.
That will come under current liabilities.
Current liability.
Draft period or draft.
Yeah, draft also control that. Circular notes, again, current liabilities. Circular notes. Circular notes will come current liability. Yeah.
The check will also comes under current liability for the collecting banker.
No.
You have to make the payment. Simple
Yes.
thing. Provision means waiving off, and current liabilities you should make the payment.
Okay.
Okay, I have given you a number of examples where you have to make the payment.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, and that to be short-term duration will be there, not long-term duration. You
Yes,
may
sir.
ask the question, sir, even deposit also we have to pay. Why can't it be a liability? Chances are there, right? Okay, but current liability is nothing but short duration, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, you have to make the payment. Okay, so current liability will be like that. Now, any confusion in this now? 1 to 5.
Deposit, sir, एक बार.
Deposit, you what kind of deposit you accept in a bank?
Term
Term deposits.
That only will come. Bank, SB, FD, RT. That deposits only will be there.
How questions will be
Regarding
asked?
reserve and surplus.
Reserve and surplus is nothing but reserve accumulated profit of the last years, and surplus is nothing but current year profit.
Current year profit, ಇಲ್ಲ?
Yes, surplus is current year
So
profit.
where previous year capital, previous year
Profits is called reserve.
profit, previous year profit.
That is called reserve.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Anything else from 1 to 5? Shall we go for 6 to 11 now?
Sir, how that reserve profit, previous year profit can be calculated? Just a small example.
What you are asking question is what?
Reserve profit, no? You said reserve, sir, is the previous year profit.
I didn't tell reserve profit. I told past
Reserve is the
year's
previous year
profit
profit.
is reserved. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For the future, any uncertainty. Like Vijay Mallya case, he didn't pay money early. How, from where the bank will get the money? Reserve and surplus only they have to utilize.
Sir, sir,
No.
sir, why check is not a current liability, sir?
If I ask the same question, how a check will be a current liability, what explanation will you give?
Traveler's
Why
check
check is a current liability?
So traveler check, you are saying it's a current liability, no, sir?
I'm telling traveler's check. I didn't tell only check. No, traveler check is different than check, right?
Check is different than normal check.
Normal check, right? Both are not similar. Huh? Traveler check is different than the check, right? It is not both the same. Done? Okay, now schedule number 6. Cash and balance with RBI. So, as you people aware that you have to keep certain money with the RBI. Yes, right. That money that will be sent to this. That will be shown in schedule number 6. And cash is nothing but here. What cash is with the bank? What cash is left out in the bank, that will be coming under schedule number 6, and balance with RBI will be how much you have kept money with the RBI. These two things will be there in the schedule number 6. Any confusion in this now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Next is you have got balance with bank and money at call and short notice. Okay. Like borrowings, what did I tell? We are taking money from other branch. At the same time, you are giving to the money to the other branch, right? That will be here, balance with bank. Any confusion in this? Borrowings means taking money from other branch. Balance with other bank means we have given money to the other branch. Okay.
Repeat, sir.
Borrowings means we are taking money, and balance with bank means we have given money to the other bank. Other branch, our branch only we have given to them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Money at call and short notice is nothing but bank overdraft. Money at call, I can't say as a bank overdraft. I don't know how this will happen or not. I don't know in your company. in your bank, respective banks. I'll give you one example. Okay. Money at call and short notice is nothing but when a banker have got excess surplus in the liquid fund in the bank, they give loan for 1 day, 2 day, 24 hours. Is there any practice is there like this in the bank?
Sir, it
No,
is
sir.
done in actual
No,
level,
sir.
not in branch level.
For 1 day, 2 days not allowed.
It's not there.
TOD concept.
Huh?
TOD concept.
Like?
TOD. That's the 1 day for maximum 15 days of manager purpose. It is coming. That is only current account and OD also based on the limit.
Okay. So that kind of money at call
temporarily overdraft.
Yeah, that will come under money at call and short notice. Temporary overdraft. TOD we say, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that will come under money at call and short notice. Okay. Any confusion? I'll mention this one. Temporary overdraft. No, that one example.
Yes.
Temporary overdraft. Okay. Any confusion in 7? Next is our investment. Investment is nothing but here, after taking money from the public in the form of FD, RD. Okay, because this is the two accounts where you pay more interest to the customers, rather SB and current. Okay. So now, how will you pay the interest to them? Until unless you invest somewhere, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So basically, a banker will invest in two kinds of securities. One is state government securities. Another one is central government securities. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, these two. Apart from that, you will give some or the other where the return is huge. There you will invest. That kind of investments, we'll put it in schedule number 8. If it is maintained by a bank, this kind of investment, that will be shown in schedule number 8 in banking balance sheet. Any confusion in this now?
Bonds will come under that investment part.
Yes, bonds will come under investment. If you have purchased gold bullion, have you heard?
Bar?
Not bar, bullion. Bar means it is 1 kg bar. Biscuit means 10 gram. Coin means 10 gram. Bullion means kg.
Okay.
1000 kg, 500 kg. It is called bullion. Okay. If a banker have invested in such kind of gold, that will come under investment. Okay. Any confusion in this now? Investment. Okay. Next is loans and advances. Loans, you know very well which all the loans you will give. Education, personal, vehicle, property, land, mortgage loan. This all will come under there. Advances is nothing but overdraft, bills purchase. There is a difference between loan and advances. Okay. Loans are what I told you now. Advance means only two. One is bank overdraft. One is bills purchased. Any confusion in this now? 9. What kind of questions will be asked in exam? They'll give the schedule number. You have to write the head. Or they'll give you the head. You have to write the schedule number. Half mark question in exam. Okay. Next, fixed assets. Fixed asset, what all a banker will have? Normally premises, furniture and building. Not more than that actually. So that will be fixed assets. And other asset is nothing but stamp papers you keep, no, stock of stamp papers. Bankers will issue stamp papers. So that stamp papers and stock of stationery, this all will be a other asset for the banker, which will be shown in schedule number 11 of the banking final accounts. Any confusion in this?
Systems also will come under PC, that under fixed asset.
Sorry. Computer, printer, typewriter, your machine, deposit machine, we call it as that one.
CDR.
Yeah, cash deposit system.
CDM.
So these all will come under other assets because they are short-term machineries actually. No, they're not using long-term. Okay. Fewer depends on the usage, it will be fall under category of fixed assets. Here will be under other assets. Any confusion in this now? 10 to 6 to 11 and 12 is contingent liability. Loan you have given and the customer have to give you the loan EMI. Monthly, annually, whatever it is. He's not paying EMI at all. What you people will do? You'll take him to the court. Yes or no? Yes sir, no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, do you know the judgment? It will be in the favor of yours karke, guaranteed.
Can't.
Can't. Are you guaranteed that the case will be in the favor of customer? Can't. So may or may not be. That kind of situations will come under contingent liabilities. Okay. Like Vijay Mallya case, he may give, he may not also. So till that he get, we'll put it in 12 contingent liabilities. Okay. Any problem in this now? The liability which may or may not arise in a bank is called contingent liability. Example.
Bank guarantee, sir. Bank guarantee.
Bank guarantee, endorsement. Okay. Forward exchange contract liability. Because you people will convert currency also, no? Dollars. Yes or no? Utility services.
Unexpected liability.
Unexpected liability. You're telling liability and you're telling unexpected also. It can't be. May or may not be.
We will provide them, but we are not sure.
If he'll give our money back. Yeah. Example is bill discounted actually. You have given the money, discounting it. But we are not sure whether the bill will honor or not. Contingent liability. Okay, any confusion in this now? Balance sheet?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So we'll go for the next one, P&L account. You can take a screenshot of this and you can keep with you. Okay. So here, 13, 14, 15, 16 schedule we will use. Interest earned is nothing but here. On what all the items you are going to make, you are going to earn interest. Example, interest on loan, income. Interest on OD, income. Interest on cash credit, income. Discount on bills, income. That kind of incomes, major income. Major. Okay, that will come under category of schedule number 13. Any confusion in this now?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Other incomes like you have done investment, you will get return, right? Interest. Okay, that will be in other income. Locker rent, other income. Commission, other income. This all will come under a category of other incomes.
Commission from bank insurance.
Yes, commission you have receiving on the this one. Transfer fees, income. Okay, this all will come under category of other incomes. Okay, interest expended is nothing but on what all the things a banker is giving interest. SB, you will give interest. RD, you will give interest. Current account, few will give interest. And FD, RD, SB, you will give interest. It is income or expense to people when you give the interest.
Expense.
So we'll put it in interest expended. 16 is operating expenses like salary you have to give for the employees.
Yes, sir.
Printing stationery, internal audit fee we have to pay. Director if it is there, we have to pay the salary to him, remuneration to him. Okay. Depreciation on bank properties, all will come under category of operating expenses. Provisions and contingencies is nothing but, as we have discussed earlier, that provisions, bad dates, provision for bad dates, that will show in the provisions and contingencies. Okay. A minus B, you will get the profit, and profit which is for the last year you will brought forward, total it. Appropriation, every banker must transfer 25% of its profit to the statutory reserve. It is must. From current year profit you have to transfer. That is the one. If any reserve you are maintaining, that you show it there. Any dividend you have to pay. Equity share, you have to pay the dividend. That you show. Difference will be carried, balance carried over to the balance sheet. This is your profit and loss account. Any confusion is there, you can ask the doubt related to this P&L account.
Appropriations.
Appropriations, every banker must transfer statutory reserve. It is must. Given by RBI. Current rate is 25%, so I have mentioned that one. Okay. Any other reserve, if you're maintaining, maintain it. And if you want to pay dividend for the shareholders, as you have taken the capital. So you have to show that one this side. Okay. Any confusion? Still any problem is there? You can ask me the doubt.
The profit and loss brought 25% should be added to the capital. Capital will increase. Bank capital will increase 25%.
No, reserve and surplus will show that one. Reserve and surplus is there, right? There we will show that one. Profit.
The reserve and surplus show mean the capital bank net worth is growing up every year 25%.
Can't this reserve is for uncertainty. Anything happens, you will make a reserve for it. To like bad debts will arise in the company. No, how to get the money? If you make reserve, then well you will get no. And this statutory reserve is nothing but RBI is telling to maintain a reserve because you should not face a deficit in the liquidity. So they'll ask to keep it aside, this amount, to meet the contingencies in the future.
It's going to capital reserve and surplus, not in the capital.
Not in the capital. Capital is
You're adding a reserve and surplus.
We will add it in the reserve and surplus.
But reserve and surplus are equal to capital now, sir.
No, never. Capital is different, reserve and surplus is different.
The bank balance sheet, reserve and surplus, there is no capital, but private companies are the thing, there is a capital, it will come to capital.
Private is, public is not there, but private will be there.
Private
capital.
Okay, thank you.
Anything else from banking final accounts?
No, sir.
Okay, fine then. Today we'll stop. Next class, we'll start with company account 2. Then bills of exchange again we will go. We have to do few practicals. Okay, that we will decide in the next class. Okay.
Sir, in this, what will they ask for in the exam? Only
Schedule number and head and the schedule number.
Okay.
Like accounting standard, what we have done. No, like that only it will be asked.
But tomorrow morning session is also the same.
No, ma'am, it will be different.
Oh.
Because for morning batch, this session, what I took you people today is over. Okay, tomorrow we'll start with bills of exchange for them also. If I start for them bills of exchange, for you also evening bills of exchange only.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually one small doubt I have. Somebody they have posted questions related to accounting and finance. Question is the rent paid to landlord is credited to?
Credited to cash account.
Nominal expenses, cash.
Nominal expenses.
This is nominal expense.
Credited to capital, cash account now. Rent account data to cash account. Which account is created now?
Cash account.
If you're taking from a point of a giver.
Okay.
If you're taking a point of a receiver, your name, the person who is giving, you will be a creditor there.
No, but we have to consider as like customer. Sorry.
So the question when you're reading, you have to think which side you're talking about. This side or the opposite side. If that is specific, then no problem will arise. If it is not specific, then the confusion will arise.
So if the book means passbook balance, passbook debit balance is showing something, some rupees at 10,000, and the question is giving the check has issued but not yet credited. So we have to add it or minus it. So we will minus it, no, sir. So
it has been
check issued but not yet presented.
It has to be if it is a cash book, we are going to add it.
Add it, and it's a passbook debit balance. So it's
a debit balance.
So minus it, no?
Minus. We have to minus there.
Okay. So opposite of cash book.
Anything else?
Sir, in yesterday actually another sir has taken topic related to module A, sir.
Parvez Khan.
Module A.
Yes, Parvez Alam Khan.
That last topic Forex. In Forex, I have seen in the material yesterday some questions are there, practical questions. That has to be explained, sir, because if we start doing it, there is some confusion is there. So if one or two questions, if you can able to solve it, then it will be easy for us.
Okay, fine. This remedy can be solved only by the Biju sir.
Okay, because this is posted in group, I have not received any reply.
I have checked that one. Actually, even I am in the group. I got that one. Okay, but I was like, the respective faculty should answer for that. If we answer, it will be a problem actually. Biju sir, can you please solve this problem, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What actually in the class? What is diminution? Okay. Voices are not audible actually.
Provisions for diminution
balancing method should be there, I guess.
In value. Provision.
You just give me a ring, okay? Over the phone, I'll just try to explain you, okay? Suresh, Biju sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'll wind up the class now. Okay, rest will continue tomorrow morning, sir.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you all.
Thank you all. Good night, everybody. Take care.
Thank you.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you like our content, do like, share and subscribe.